It's Wednesday the 4th of May 2016. As promised, I'll show you the younger ones. These are the later arrivals, so they are various ages, but these are what arrived sort of mid-March onwards. They've just been opened up out on the dark. As you can see, the droppings are nice again. Plenty of feathers coming out of them. It's going to be a nice day today, so we're going to rake out the grills underneath the lofts at the back. Then we put powder down, and then once a month they're raked again. They've all come up to this one end because I got the camera. So some unusual colours we got this year as well. We got a couple of silvers in, silver checkers. Still quite misty outside at the moment. I think the sun will break through before long. We've got their mineral pots and grip pots. Majority of the health is pretty good. We have had a few problems, but you know, anything serious. This quantity of pigeons, 400 different lofts, you're always going to get a few problems till they build that one loft immunity. But overall, health has been excellent. What I'll try and do is do a video of the older birds going out and then the younger ones later this month. And then the serious work will start then with crate training and then short tosses 100 at a time. I will speak to you later.